Welcome to Metro Garage Door. I wanted to show you around. We did a lot of remodeling, so here's a tour of our office to start. So once you enter, you can see that we did a lot of remodeling with the ceiling and the floors and carpeting. This is what our old office used to look like, so it is a huge change. Over here we have our break room. This is where everyone gets their coffee before work, get some energy. And then I can show you the customer service team. This is Lisa Bett. She has a multitude of responsibilities, and so does Joe Allen. But the main focus is to answer phone calls, make sure that we get everyone scheduled for service. This is my desk. I do operations and customer service. This is Lynn. She's our office manager. And then Karen's desk, she is our general manager. And then here we have Dan, he does dispatch. Hi Dan. This is our conference room where we hold all of our meetings. And then Dustin's office, our president. And then I can show you the warehouse. So this is where all of the magic happens. This is where all of our doors and our supplies are, openers, etc. And yeah, we have a lot of hopes for expansion, making more room and everything. It's really busy back here, but this is where we keep all of our stuff. But thank you for the tour. Again, this is Metro Garage Door.